me to the water. We've had so much fun for years. Yeah. We've been together on so many journeys. This is just one of my favorite human beings. And so now through Facebook and social media, I get to be with them so much, and you watch your brothers and sisters evolve and grow. You know, as an elder, I do. And Righteous has just been so consistent and amazing, and you know, a blessing to the journey and to Bomani and to the team, because some of us have been together for you know, years and years, and that's the way it's going to continue to be throughout eternity. Here you go, Righteous. Let's give him a hand again, y'all.
I go.
Amen.
I go.
Amen.
Well, that's just how Ghanaians do greet each other. Yeah, that's what I want to introduce to all of you. But it goes this way. For the guys, when I say you guys say respond by saying oh. For the ladies, if I say if I know you, you say woo.
Okay, I'll do it.
Are you ready?
Do it one more time.
Okay,
Ibibio.
What's the language?
Ibibio.
Ibibio.
Yes, so I'm coming to that. Are you ready?
Yeah. Well,
Okay, I'll say it one more time.
please, thank you so much.
For the ladies, if I say Iban and know you, you respond by saying Yep. So for the guys, when I say Bawa song, you say yeah. Yep. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Paraguay song. You know the guy, son. Yeah. Okay, try it one more time. Right. Paraguay song. Where are the guys? All right, Paraguay song. Iban know you. That's right, exactly. Well, I start by introducing myself. I am Edo Woto. Edo means gods of the land, and Woto means righteous. Yeah.
Say it one more time.
Woto. Yeah. So I am the tour assistant. I've been with Bomani for 8 years now, and I'm also a photographer for the Africa. Then I represent a country where each and every one of you has a name for. Yes, I represent Nigeria. Yeah, I'm from Akwa Ibom in Nigeria. So I don't know if any of you have heard of such a place before.
It's close to Lagos?
No, it's down south.
Down south?
Yeah. Yeah.
Big city?
Very, very big city. Oil rich city.
Oil city?
Yes, on the Niger Delta.
Niger Delta?
Yeah.
Oil rich.
Well, I would like to say that I'm very happy and pleased to be among every one of you. It's usually a pleasure to see your brothers and sisters coming down from the diaspora or to Ghana. Ghana is a peaceful place where you can enjoy yourself. While we're here to make your journey a journey of a lifetime, you just, if you need any assistance from me, or you need me to do anything for you, you just call on me for any help. Okay, all right. Okay, I'm an entrepreneur by profession. I'm also into ICT. I'm a software developer.
Say that.
I'm a software developer.
Yeah, that's real.
they'll create website and do some network connection. So
I just really appreciate how Righteous always helps, like Bomani does, to upgrade me in technology. And like he said, for 8 years he's been with Bomani. Bomani can count on him and Kobina. And when you got brothers and sisters that you can count on and building and fulfilling a vision that is far more than just them, but our children's children, that Righteous just says, "Deal, go get this chip and put it in your phone and make sure you got this and carry the bags." And where the technology was concerned, I just always remember that when I come for those 2 weeks, that he's going to be here and he's going to be countable. And then when he went to go to school to get his degree, and he was doing all these other things, and you never know what somebody has to grow through, not just go through, but actually grow through, to just show up with a good attitude. And that is what you've had, Righteous. And I wouldn't be me if I didn't acknowledge that. You don't know when you're going to get another chance to let somebody know how they have contributed to you. You know, and young and gifted and black. yeah, you know, and I just wanted to say that, Righteous. I personally really appreciate you, and I let others know of you at home, my daughter and people who, young people who, you know, do that. So I just had to acknowledge that. Keep on doing what you're doing. Keep on wearing what you're wearing. You see, because Righteous is a fashion statement.
Yes.
Now, we look at Righteous shoes. You know, African people dress. Give him a hand, because brother, don't be hate to play. Don't hate to play. Look, I mean, really, tell me, Nigeria, you know what I'm saying? So keep on loving, looking your highest and the best. We're representing, and we always look our best, you know. And Righteous, you know, just keep on doing what you're doing. If it's something else you want to say it. But I had to just say that you're a blessing to this journey. You always have been. Continue to be. Bless your family. Bless your family. Yeah, the staff of Africa, for the Africans, we're generating this. We exist because of you.